In this video, we're talking about Sagittarius, and out of all of the horoscope zodiac signs, which are the best pairs when it comes to sex? That's coming right up. What is up, guys? If we haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Before, my eyes are like twitching right now. I don't know if you can see that, but my eye is twitching. It's not twitching right now, damn it. When paired with Aries, this pair makes sex fun. Chemistry between these two is so difficult to pull apart, like the connection is real. When paired with Taurus, when Tauruses think sexuality, Sagittarius is the last person they're thinking about, period. Not saying that it can't happen, but if they both respect each other as individuals, then something could happen. Could. When paired with Gemini, this pair is so light, very childish, and very free when it comes to sex. And that's a good thing. Sex doesn't always have to be friggin' serious. Have some fun. The communication and passion between these two is real. When paired with Cancer, not the most compatible, but when it comes to trust, then we might be talking about something different. Cancers need to have more fun in their lives and kind of forget those pre-misconceptions. Trust has to be the foundation. Without that trust, it's not gonna work out. When paired with Leo, you want the best pair right now? You want the best pair right now for Sagittarius? This is it. Stimulation, energy, passion, it gets real, guys. When paired with Virgo, Sagittarius are very passionate about the things they do, and Virgos don't really take a lot of risk when it comes to doing certain things. Not to mention, Virgos might feel pressured if they do things that they do not want to do. When paired with Libras, this is another good pair when it comes to emotion and intimacy. Nobody feels pressured, and that's a good thing. You don't want to be having pressure when it comes to sex. When paired with Scorpios, compromise is the key factor if you want to make this work. Scorpios finding a way to get freedom, and Sagittarius not trying to find a reason to run away from the seriousness of a relationship. Sexual relationship for that matter. When paired with another Sagittarius, two Sagittarius having sex is like watching two teenagers joking around having sex. That might not last very long, because once that fades away, the lack of emotion and intimacy kind of would make everything fall downhill. When paired with Capricorn, do you want to cringe and go ugh when it comes to sexual energy? This is that pair. Capricorn wants things fast while Sagittarius wants things slow. When paired with Aquarius, Aquariuses act the way Sagittarius thinks. They both like to try things and experiment, but if you want to amp things up to a top notch, you gotta make sure that intimacy is the foundation. So you can always fall back and build up just in case something kind of flops. When paired with Pisces, even though this could be a good match, when it comes to sex, it's quite the opposite. Overthinking and expectations will be the downfall play. If you guys enjoy this video, I have some other videos about horoscopes you can check out in a playlist in the video description. I'm about to go and grab something to eat because I'm starving, boy. I'm bony moroni and I need to eat some macaroni and gain some weight. But Tony, I don't know, I was trying to rhyme something, but anyways, check out the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Matane.